In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a Facebook account. Okay, you can delete a Facebook account for so many reasons. You might have your reason of deleting your Facebook account. Okay, so I want to show you how to do that in a jiffy way. All right, so first of all, you have to have a Facebook app on your phone. Okay, it's either you use the Facebook app or you log in your Facebook account through Chrome by typing facebook.com. Okay, and you log in your Facebook account there. Then you follow this same process. Okay, but for the sake of this video, we are going to use the app, okay, to delete your Facebook account. All right, so let's dive in. So you open your Facebook app, click on this profile piece by the right, okay, up here. Then scroll down, click on settings and privacy. Okay, then click on settings again. Then click here under this account center, just click there. Okay, it will open up. You scroll down and click on personal details. Okay, you click on account ownership and control. Okay, then you click on deactivation or deletion. Okay, then click on your profile piece. All right, when you click on your profile piece, it said deactivating is temporary. Okay, you can reactivate it later if you deactivate, but for the sake of this, you want to delete account is permanent. Okay, you choose delete account. Okay, click on continue. To delete your Facebook account, all the pages that you are the only admin there will also be deleted, unless your other Facebook account has admin access to that page. It will not, but if you are the only admin there, it will also delete that page. Okay, so you make sure you are making your choice wisely. Okay, then you click on continue. So if you are deleting the account, you are also deleting your pages where you are the only admin there. And select any of the option and click on continue. Then you click on continue. Before you delete, there are options they gave you before you delete, because once you delete your Facebook account, it's permanently deleted. You just want to delete everything. All right, so you click on continue. Then they want to make sure that it's you that wants to delete your account, so they are requesting for your password to be sure that you are the one deleting your Facebook account, not a stranger or I don't know if you understand. So you put your password. So if you put your password, if you can't remember your password, you can click on this forgot password, okay, to change your password. So they will send a code to your email. You enter the code they will send. Then after putting the code they send to you, you click on continue. You put the new password you want to use. So after you click on forgot password and you reset your password, alright, just start all over again. So after putting in your password, you then click on delete. Alright, so it will take 30 days for your account to be deleted, and also take 90 days for all your information on Facebook to be deleted. Alright, so within 30 days you still have the opportunity to reactivate your account. You still have the opportunity to cancel your account deletion. Alright, so guys, why deleting your Facebook account when you can archive some of your posts, when you can freeze your Facebook app, you can freeze it with a freezing app, you can unmute it, you can unmute the notification. All these things, if you want to keep away from Facebook, you can do all that. But after going through all that and you still feel like deleting your Facebook account, you can follow the process and delete it. Alright, so I'm going to stop here because I don't want to delete my account. So put your password and click on delete. Alright, then your Facebook account will be deleted after 30 days. Alright, So see you in my next video, guys. Guys, if you find this video helpful, click on that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, right? And also give this video a thumbs up. All right, see you in my next video, guys. Bye.